Hi friends, welcome back to Budget Buying. In today's video, we're exploring the best digital kitchen food scale for your home culinary adventures, and I'll be taking an in-depth look at the GGQ Digital Kitchen Food Scale. Let's get started.
Product feature.
4 high-precision load sensors provide incredibly reliable measurements, ensuring your recipes turn out perfectly every single time you cook or bake. The waterproof and anti-collision glass weighing panel is built to withstand the busy kitchen environment while looking absolutely stunning on your counter. It measures weights as tiny as 0.1 ounces up to a heavy 33 pounds, making it ideal for everything from small spices to large family-sized portions. Switch between 5 units, including grams, kilograms, pounds, ounces, and milliliters to accommodate any recipe for solids or liquids with ease. The stainless steel panel measures 7.9 by 5.7 inches with a slim 0.6-inch height, providing plenty of room for large bowls while remaining stable. A clear LCD display combined with a modern touch interface allows for effortless reading and operation even when your kitchen is a bit chaotic. The helpful tare function lets you subtract the weight of any container, so you can measure ingredients like milk inside a bowl without any manual math. To help you conserve battery life, the scale features a smart auto-off function that powers down the device after just 2 minutes of inactivity. Smart alerts notify you immediately when the battery is running low or if the scale has been overloaded, keeping you informed at all times. For those with limited space, the scale includes a convenient hanging hook, allowing you to store it neatly on a wall or inside a cabinet when not in use. Pros: I really love how this scale balances beauty with true utility. The 33-pound capacity is a total game changer for those of us who cook in big batches, and the glass panel feels so premium and safe. It's incredibly easy to wipe down after a flour-filled baking session, and the touch-sensitive buttons respond instantly. It's a tool that genuinely makes your time in the kitchen feel more organized. Cons: on the flip side, the 2-minute auto-off feature might feel a bit fast if you're carefully measuring several things at once. Also, because it's built to handle such large weights, it takes up a slightly bigger footprint on your counter compared to tiny pocket scales, but the hanging hook really helps solve that. Final thoughts: using a scale like the GGQ really changes how you feel about cooking. It takes away the guesswork and replaces it with confidence. Whether you're baking a delicate cake or tracking nutrition, having a tool that is both beautiful and accurate makes the process so much more joyful. It's more than just a gadget. It's a reliable partner that helps you create delicious memories for your loved ones. I hope this helps you find the perfect kitchen companion. Check the price link in the description for more details. Subscribe to Budget Buying and like this video to see more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.